In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove vocals in Suno. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your actual Suno and then head over right here into your library. You can see in here all of the songs that you have created so far. So for example, we have in here this particular right here, this particular song. Now in there, just click onto these three dots. From in there, you should be able to see this option. Click onto this Get Stems option right here. Now, do take note that this one is only available on the Pro plan as well as the other plans if you're actually subscribed. Now, what this will do as well is when you get the stems, is will wait for the generation and Suno AI will generate two new lines, one with isolated vocals and another with the instrumental. So this process may take longer than creating a new track. For that, you can just download the track without the vocals that you wish to use. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.